Lots of YouTube English teachers tell their followers to read lots of English novels, read their favourite book, read newspapers. Well, they're wrong. Wrong. Books are killing your English. Let me tell you why. Hi, I'm Damien and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. This series is all about getting smarter when reading in English. Your reading diet is really important. Eat or read the wrong things and you could be damaging your English health. Why trust me? Well, I'm not your regular YouTube teacher. 20 years teaching English, 9 years running my own successful language school, former IELTS-examiner, award-winning teacher, masters in teaching English as a second language, journal article writer, conference presenter, language learner, the list goes on. If you want to learn English, you're in the right place. What causes a bad reading experience in English? Well, it's usually connected to your vocabulary level. For example, if your vocabulary level is at 2,000 words and you're trying to read a newspaper or novel, you're going to find it pretty hard because newspapers have about 8,000 word families and novels are even worse. That means you only understand about 40% of what's written in the article. That doesn't make for a very good reading experience. More like smashing your head on the table type reading experience. It's difficult to read something if you don't know about 95 to 98% of the head words. As you can see, it's pretty hard to read at 90%. Imagine at 40%. So you need to start out with material that matches your level. Otherwise you won't enjoy reading, and that means you won't read. How do you find out if the reading material is right for you? Well, there's two methods. Use a vocabulary size test or the 5-finger rule. The 5-finger rule goes like this. Step 1, choose a book and read one page from that book. On your hand, count how many words you don't understand. Then this is the result. If you've got 5 fingers, the book's way too hard for you. 4, it's a challenge level, but you could push yourself. 2 to 3, this level is perfect for you. 0 to 1, it's too easy. So use that simple guideline to help you find a book that's the right level for you. English learners are lucky. Well, that depends whether you like reading or not, but as learners of English, you have the biggest variety of graded reading material to choose from. Graded material is written for a specific vocabulary level. For example, after doing a vocabulary test, your level might be about 1,500 head words. Well, big publishers like Oxford and Cambridge have books at just the right level for you. This means you can still read easily and pick up high-frequency English vocabulary. Also, nowadays, a range of websites grade their English language for learners too. Let's have a look at these two types of graded English reading resources. If you're enjoying this video, remember to sledgehammer that like button. It means a lot to me and my channel. Graded readers. These books are win-win. All the vocabulary is at the right level for you, it's high frequency, and you get to see it multiple times in different sentences and grammatical structures. Most language teaching publishers have their own series of readers. A detailed list of all the publishers' books and levels can be found at the extensive Reading Foundation. See the link in the description. Also, decide on the format, paper or digital. Remember, reading with audio can be a big advantage. There are a growing number of graded reading websites. These allow you to read one article, but at different levels. When you adjust the level, it changes the vocabulary and grammatical structure. I recommend starting with Newseller. This site allows you to adjust the level of the vocabulary and grammar used in newspaper articles. This is my favourite site because of the variety of reading material and the quality of the writing done at each level. British Council reading material and news in levels are both worth a mention too. See the description below. The one thing I want you to take out of this video is that you should be reading material that's at the right level for you. Don't be taking recommendations of YouTube teachers about what to read. Except from me, of course. Also, remember to sledgehammer that subscribe button because I would be honoured to continue on this language learning journey with you. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Start now and write a comment below about what you read in English. And if you're interested in a full English vocabulary system, then why don't you check out my book, English Words Unmasked. And start taking your English mask off today. See you later.